Hi everyone, myself Dr. Shivjyoti. Welcome back to Dr. Kumar's channel. Today we will be seeing on one of the most common condition which is prevailing in the society, nothing but an osteoarthritis. It is one of the commonest form of the arthritis which is commonly seen in the middle-aged people. And the main reason for this is degeneration of the joint because of the wear and tear of the articular cartilage. And age is one of the most common cause of the osteoarthritis. The common symptoms which will be seen in the osteoarthritis is pain, joint stiffness and loss of the function. As this osteoarthritis is a progressive condition, the symptoms also will get progressed over a period of time. We will be seeing the increase in the swelling, increasing the pain, decreasing the range of the motion, joint instability will be seen, muscle weakness also will be seen, and all this can lead to an poor balance or a poor posture also will be seen with this. Now, the physiotherapy plays a key role in the management of the osteoarthritis. In this video, I am going to show what are the exercises should be done for the osteoarthritis. And this is nothing but a simple and the basic exercise what you should do at the home. I will be demonstrating in this video. Now, let us see with the exercises. The first exercise is heel drags. Nothing but the dragging of the heel on the bed. Okay. First, you just bend your knee and straighten your knee. When you are doing this, you have to drag your heel on the bed. Okay, do it now. Bend. Straight. Next, again bend. This exercise should be done for the 10 repetitions, twice or thrice in a day. Next exercise is knee isometrics. Here we have to contract the thigh muscles. That's the commonest muscles which will be going for the muscle weakness. So we will be doing that with the help of an ball or a towel, that means rolling the towel. I will show with both the things. The towel should be rolled in this manner and should be kept under the knee joint. You have to keep the towel like this. Now what the person has to do is they have to press the knee onto the towel so that they will be tightening the thigh muscles. Just do it. Keep it for the 10 counts. I will just count for the 10 counts. You keep that position only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now I will show with the ball. This is the physio ball. This is available in the market. You can get it from any of the surgical shops. Now this ball should be kept under the knee joint. The ball should be kept in that manner. Now what you have to do is you have to press your knee joint onto the ball. Do it for the 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These exercises can be done for the 10 repetitions, twice or thrice in a day. The next exercise is straight leg raising. Raising your leg up to the 10 centimeters and holding the leg for the 10 counts in the same position, then getting it down. This exercise also can be done for the 10 repetitions, twice or thrice in a day. Now raise your leg straight up. Okay, hold it in that position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get it down. Again do that one. Up. Count it for the 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This exercise also can be done for the 10 repetitions, twice or thrice in a day. And if you feel that you are getting the pain for holding for the 10 counts, you can initially start with the 5 counts. Later you can progress it on for the 10 counts. The next exercise is by using the pillow. The pillow should be placed in between both the knees. Now what they have to do is they have to press their both knees together onto the pillow. Now press your both the knees onto the pillow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This also can be done for the 10 repetitions for holding for 10 seconds each exercise. Now the next exercise. In this exercise, we have to sit in this position with our thigh supporting completely on the sitting surface. Might be a chair or a bed. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have just straighten our knee joint this manner. Okay, I'll show you again. Now you just have to straighten the knee joint like this and hold it for the 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get it down. Okay, this exercise can be done for the 10 repetitions. In this video, we have demonstrated the exercise for the 5 weeks. So the progression, how you should go on, I will explain that also. First week, you should do the 1 set for twice a day. 1 set means 10 repetitions. Second and the third week, 2 sets thrice a day. And fourth and the fifth week, 3 sets thrice a day. So the progression should go on in this manner. These are the basic exercises what we have shown to you in this video. For the next other set of exercises, we will be uploading in our next video. Thank you for watching our video, and if you like the video, share it and subscribe it.